But they're getting all the rain that we're not getting.
Yeah, they're getting, if it's dry here, it's going to be rainy somewhere, and vice versa. And right now, the rain has, for the most part, been to our north, really kind of along the I-70 corridor. Hopefully, we'll get a little bit of rain overnight tonight into Friday. Outside right now, we're not finding a drop in the area. Skies are mostly sunny at this hour with temperatures, as Steve said earlier, knocking on the door of 100 yet again. This is the third day in a row. It's not over yet. I mean, we've still probably got about another 30, 45 minutes where it's possible that we hit 100 degrees. And again, that would be the first time since late August of 2014. Dew points, again, like the last few days, you get that heat in the afternoon, and we're mixing out some of that low-level moisture, so the dew points kind of crater during the afternoon, and that cuts those heat index values back into the low 100s. So it could be worse. I mentioned the rain and where it is, and you can see the unsettled weather from Nebraska across Iowa, northern Missouri, stretching east into the Ohio Valley. We've had showers and thunderstorms across parts of the deep south. But here in southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas, just scorching heat, and it continues, and it will into Friday, although we will have a shot at some spotty rain developing as early as very late tonight and continuing through Friday and into Friday night before we see it get dry again. We've got a change in the pattern coming. That summer ridge, which has been parked nearby, will shift west as a trough develops across the eastern United States. And while the pleasant air will stay to our east, we are going to see a dent put into this heat wave. We are going to find temperatures retreating back to something closer to normal for Saturday into Sunday across the area. Now, with that front moving through, there are going to be a few spotty storms, and there's going to be a risk that we could get a few clusters of storms that generate some stronger winds here closer to I-70. And then on Friday, it's the same story, except isolated storms will tend to be more focused off to the east, and those too could produce some stronger wind gusts. Here's our forecast overnight tonight. This evening, quiet, no worries of wet weather, but after midnight, there's that wave of storms passing from west to east near I-70. It's going to send a boundary south, and it's really that boundary interacting with some stuff going on upstairs in the atmosphere that will generate a risk for those spotty showers and thunderstorms probably sometime towards, say, 4 o'clock in the morning through maybe about mid-morning on Friday. That activity will fade. There'll still be a lot of leftover moisture in the area and that front moving south across the area. So we could see some additional spotty showers and thunderstorms by late afternoon heading into Friday night or Friday evening at the very least. The better chances for that, I think, will tend to be east of Highway 65. Once we get to Saturday, we will probably start the day off with some cloud cover in the morning, maybe partly to mostly cloudy skies, and then those clouds will thin out as we work into the afternoon with skies becoming mostly sunny. Let's get to the temperatures. That's been the big story all week. Overnight tonight, another warm night, 76 for the low. Tomorrow we'll see afternoon highs ranging from the low to mid 90s north to near 100 again to the south. Now here in Springfield, looks like about 96, 97 for the afternoon high. Looking ahead to Saturday, you can see the impacts of that cool front, highs ranging from the upper 80s northeast to low 90s southwest. Here in Springfield, looks like a high near 90 degrees. And then on Sunday, the heat begins to surge again. Looks like about 94 for a high, but it won't be terribly humid out there. And again, that's something we can look forward to. Looks like after Friday, because of that cool front, we will see less humid conditions Saturday afternoon through about Monday afternoon before we see an uptick in humidity as the next cool front drops in. Behind that cool front, we're going to see a similar pattern to what we find this weekend. We're going to see the heat kind of surge Sunday into Monday, and then we'll find temperatures cooling off a bit as we get past Monday of next week when highs will be near 100, dropping back into the low 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, into Thursday. Guys?
All right, Jamie.